I'm so bored. Let's turn on the TV.
Good afternoon, everybody. You're about to watch iCarly in 15 minutes. And if this is your favorite show, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Only on Nick.
Oh no, not iCarly. Rosie likes to watch iCarly, and I hate iCarly. But what should I do?
3 minutes later.
Come on, classic Caillou. Think. I know, I'm going to Weather Channel Studios, and I will make a fake emergency alert system, and after that, Rosie won't be able to watch iCarly. Ha 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 ha.
When classic Caillou jumped in the window and it was in the bus stop.
What bus? I will go to Weather Channel Studios. Yeah. The bus is here and is gonna go to Weather Channel Studios.
Sorry, guys, I can't have Plotagon Premium. If you have 9,99 RON, please travel to Romania and give money to me using Remitly. I can't use Remitly. What the heck is that? When classic Caillou traveled to Weather Channel Studios.
Yay. I have finally traveled to Weather Channel Studios. Now I have to wait until these two guys are gone.
Man, we are so hungry.
I think we should go to Wendy's.
Good idea, let's go.
I think I slammed the door or just breaking the door, but no worries, let's make a fake emergency alert system.
Back at classic Caillou's house.
Yay. iCarly show again. Oh no. The TV is filling up with static.
This alert is not for testing. I repeat, this alert is not for testing. Many serial killers started to kill everyone in Australia. Make sure your kids are safe. Do not let your kids outside. I repeat, do not let your kids outside. Your pets, mobile phone, and charger must be home before it will reach United States.
Is this real or fake?
Oh, I forgot to say this. Ghost might kill serial killers at a serious time from 2 p.m. Bye.
Oh my gosh. I don't wanna die.
When classic Caillou was home.
Hey, I'm back home.
Oh hello classic Caillou, welcome back. Oh. I realized there's a fake emergency alert system. Did you do this? Tell me the truth now.
Yes, I did.
Classic Caillou. How dare you make a fake emergency alert system? You know making fake emergency alert systems can get you arrested. You are grounded for a month. Upstairs, now.
Whoa.